Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Today I will presentation about adherence to talking hypertension medication in the elderly by Kartini Masa and Lady Arini Manafe. Let me introduce myself. I'm Muhammad Fadi Hidayah from Akademi Farmasi YPF in Bandung. Today's uh, in my presentation, I would like to report on introduction, problem, research method, result and discussion, conclusion, and the last part of speech. First, introduction. Hypertension is one of the degenerative diseases whose sufferers are the most elderly. Although it cannot be denied that hypertension is also suffered by most of the sufferers are young people. The World Health Organization or WHO states that the number of people with hypertension will continue to increase along with the increasing population in 2025. It is estimated that around 29% of the world's citizens are affected by hypertension. In the Asian region, hypertension kills 1.5 million people every year. This indicates that one in their people suffer from hypertension. Next, problem. Elderly complications in taking antihypersensitive drug is one of the determining factors in controlling blood pressure. Adherence to treatment is defined as the before of patient is obeying the rules advised recommended by health workers during treatment. The recommendation to follow the rules in taking hypertension drugs regularly is useful for controlling blood pressure. So it requires compliance in taking hypertension drugs. The lack of treatment is of sense of boredom with the treatment being undertaken, so that the longer the hypertension treatment is the cause of non-adherence in undergoing treatment. Next is research method. This type of research is descriptive research, data collection instrument using the Morsky Medication Adherence Scale questionnaire. One of the questionnaire to measure drug compliance with a total of 10 questions using the Gwenban scale. Unified data analysis to see the frequency distribution picture, which is presented in the form of table and narratives. The research data with analysis univariate. Presentation of data is made in the form of table and narratives. Next, result and discussion. Duration of treatment, number of doses of drug taken by patients with hypertension affect adherence. Ehwatun et al. 2020 states that the longer the patient suffers from hypertension, the less compliant with treatment. Elderly people who take hypertension drugs continuously cause a sense of saturation and only take drugs when symptoms appear such as headache, dizziness, weakness. Long treatment cause burden, resulting in low complications of the elderly in taking medication. Next, conclusion. The conclusion of this study is that most of elderly in Wagurer village are in the compliant category. Therefore, it is expected that the government can conduct health education about hypertension and consequences, provide clear information about the purpose of treatment, and control blood pressure once a week. Dog the use of elderly Posyandu held at the village hall. And the last part of speech. First known as hypertensi, blood pressure, tekanan darah, diseases, penyakit, people, rakyat, dan cenderung, list daftar, dat kematian, the elderly orang tua, medication pengobatan, prosedur in pronoun, he, dia, it, dia, som beberapa, this, ini, you, kamu, which-nya. Next. Verb. Said, katakan, know, tahu, made, dibuat, tense, cenderung, experience, pengalaman, control, kontrol, trigger, pemicu, suffering, menderita, occurs, terjadi. Adverb, basically, pada dasarnya, especially, khususnya, over, lebih, or, keluar, greatly, sangat, there, di sana. Next. Adjective. Small, kecil, hard, keras, necessary, diperlukan, difficult, sulit, chronic, kronis, pharmacological, pharmakologis, degeneratif. Conjunction, because, karena, or, atau, as, sebagai, if, jika, and, dan, therefore, karena itu, cause, menyebabkan, that, itu, for, untuk. And the last, proportion, to, ke, of, dari, in, ke dalam, with, dengan, for, untuk, through, melalui, without, tanpa. Thank you all for listening. It was a pleasure being here today.